everyone. Welcome to IMUmate. Today we will solve the question of IMU-CET 2025 of mathematics. Okay, let's start with the first question. That is function fx is equals to tan x minus x. Okay, and we have to find about increase, decrease. So how to solve this? So we will find its derivative. Okay, so f dash x will be what? F dash x will be sec squared x minus 1, and we know that this is equals to tan squared x. Okay, and tan squared x is always positive value. Always positive is always increase, option A. Okay, let's go for the next question. Number of arrangement of 10 different things taken 4 at a time, in which one particular thing always happens. How to solve it? Okay, here total 10 different things, and in which one particular thing, it means we have to choose NC3. Okay, and 4 at a time, it means 4 factorial. If we solve it, we will get what? 9 factorial upon 3 factorial into 6 factorial into 4 into 3 factorial. Okay, 3 factorial and 3 factorial will be cancelled out, and here we will get what? 9 into 8 into 7 into 4. If we solve it, we will get 2016. The option A will be the correct answer. Let's go for third question. Number of ways in which 8 examination papers be arranged so that the best and worst paper never come together. Okay, never come together. It means we have to find total arrangement first. The total arrangement will be 8 factorial, and here best and worst together. Okay, we will find best and worst together. So to best and worst together, it will be what? 2 into 7 factorial. Okay, and we have to find never come together. It means we will subtract it. So we will get option D. That's it. Okay, let's go for the question number 4. This is about reflections or images about xy plane. If we want to find xy plane, then our result will be z negative. Okay, then a, b and minus c, z negative. For yz plane, x negative, and for zx plane, y negative. It means option A will be the right answer. Okay, let's go for question number 5. Question number 5 is x is equals to t square, y is equals to t cube, and we have to find d2y by dx square. It means first of all we will find dx upon dt. Okay, it will be 2x 2t. Similarly, dy by dt will be what? Will be 3t square, and then dy upon dx will be what? Dy upon dx will be 3t upon 2. Okay, this is dy upon dx, but we want d2y by dx square. Then it can be differentiate with respect to t, so we will differentiate it with respect to t. Okay, dy by dx, and we will divide it by dx by dt to find this one. Okay, its value will be what? 3 upon 2 upon 2t. So finally 3 upon 4t, option B. Okay, let's go for the next question. Here we can see that this is the format of 2 square plus x square and x square. Okay, so we will suppose x square is equals to u. If we take x square is equals to u, okay, then it will be what? 2x dx will be du. It means x dx will be du upon 2. Then our value will be 1 upon 2 du, and here we can write 2 square plus u square. Okay, it means 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 tan inverse u upon 2, and u is x square, therefore it will be x square upon 2. So our answer will be option B, I think. Okay, x square upon 2, it means 1 upon 4 tan inverse x square by 2. Okay, that will be the correct answer. So I think here it should be the correct. Okay, 1 upon 4 tan inverse x square upon 2 plus c. Okay, let's go for the next question. Question number 7. It is about adjoint of A, and we know that adjoint of A is what? Adjoint is transpose of cofactors. Okay, transpose of cofactors, and its cofactors will be what? Its cofactor will be minus 3 minus 6 minus 6. Okay, 6 3 minus 6 6 minus 6 3. These are the cofactors and its transpose. Its transpose means what? Minus 3, 6, 6, minus 6, 3, minus 6, 3, minus 6, minus 6, 3. This is the transpose, and if we can check it, this is A into 3 of A into transpose. Okay, so option B will be the correct answer. Let's go for the option question number 8. Okay, question number 8 is just about the range of function. Okay, and here domain is given, and we can see that in the domain minimum value is 2 and maximum value is infinity. So we will put it here and get minimum value is what? Minimum value will be what? If we find it, we will get 1, and for infinity, okay, we will get infinity. It means our range is from 1 to infinity, and here options should be this. Okay, because we will use only open interval with infinity. Okay, now about question number 9, maximum slope. The first slope will be what? Slope will be dy by dx. So dy by dx is here what? Minus 3x squared plus 6x plus 12. Okay, and we want to maximize our slope because this is regarding maximum slope. So we will find its derivative again. Okay, this is the question of maxima minima. It will be minus 6x plus 6, and we will equate with 0 and find the value of x. Then x will be what? X will be 1. Okay, then we will find the maximum slope. Put x is equals to 1 in the slope. We will get what? Minus 3 plus 6 plus 12. It means 15. So option D will be the correct answer. Okay, let's go for the next question. That is question number 10. This is about continuous and differentiable. We know that all the differentiable function is continuous, but not all continuous are differentiable. And if you check this one, this is continuous at x equals to 0. Simple. Let's go for question number 11. Okay, if we see this, this is 3 into I, because I is the identity matrix. Okay, and we have to find a raised to the power 4. It means our value will be what? 3 to the power 4, and I, it will be 81 into I, and 81 into I can be written as 27 into 3. Yes, 3i. Okay, and 3i is A, we can see that, so it will be 27a. So option C will be the correct answer. Okay, let's go for the question number 12. This is just about increasing and decreasing order. Here we can see that radius of circle is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter. It means dr by dt is what? Dr by dt is plus 3. Okay, and this is dr by dt, and decrease in the height, it means dh by dt is what? Minus 4. Okay, now we will find the rate of change in volume. That volume is what? Volume is pi r squared h. So if we differentiate it with respect to t, we will get what? We will get pi, okay, 2r dr by dt into h plus uh, r squared dh by dt. Okay, now if we put these values and these two values, we will get what? We will get dv by dt is 80 pi centimeter cube per second. Okay, let's go for the next question. 4-digit number greater than 5000 and can be found by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means we can put first digit at 5, 6 or 7. Okay, it means for first digit we have three options, three choices. Okay, for first digit three choices, and repetition is allowed. That's why for second digit all the five options can available. For the next digit all five options, all five options. Okay, then final value will be what? 3 into 125, that is 375. So none of them. Okay, next, go for the next question. This is about area of triangle, and we know that the formula of area of triangle is what? 1 upon 2. Okay, and its determinant, if we find its determinant, that is 1 minus 2 3, 2 minus 3 4, minus 2 1 0. Okay, if we want to find these, we will get what? We will get 1 upon 2. Okay, and here 0 minus 4, and 0 plus 8. Okay, and 3 into 2 minus 6. It means final value will be what? 1 upon 2, minus 4 plus 16 minus 12, and it is equals to 0. So option A will be the correct answer. Okay, let's go for the next question. That is question number 15, and we have to find the here area of region bounded. It is the question of, I think, area bounded by curve. Okay, so and we can see here two curves are given, y is equals to sin x and y is equals to cos x, and we know that these both curves cut each other at x is equals to pi by 4, because at x is equals to pi by 4 both the values are correct equal. Sin pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2, cos pi by 4 is 1 upon root 2. Okay, so our range of the integration will be 0 to pi by 4, and here final value is cos x minus sin x. जब भी दो इक्वेशंस होते हैं दोनों घटा के लिखना होता है. ओके, and here dx, if we solve it we will get what, root 2 minus 1. So option C. Okay, let's go for the question number 16. This is differential equation, and if you observe this pattern you will get the actual pattern, that is dy by dx minus what, minus x by 1 minus x squared y is equals to 1 minus x squared. Okay, here this is the pattern of what, dy by dx plus py is equals to q, this pattern. Okay, in this pattern we will find integrating factor. Integrating factor is what, e to the power integration of e dx. Okay, if we solve it we will get square root of 1 minus x square. Okay, then our integration will be what, y into integrating factor, that is this one, and here sin inverse x. Okay, let's see, that's it, simple. This will be the our result. So that is, I think, option B. Yes, option B. Let's go for the next question. How many ways can 9 letters be posted in 4 letter box? This is simple. This is not 4 and 5. This is 4 to the power 5 and this is 4 to the power 9. We know that here 4 letter box are available and 9 letters can be posted. So our answer will be option D, 4 to the power 9. Okay, let's go for question number 18. Question number 18 is what? Here fx is given and it is strictly increasing. Strictly increasing means what? It means f dash x is greater than 0. Okay, and now here f dash x will be what? F dash x will be 3x squared minus a. Okay, that will be greater than 0, and if we solve it we will get what, a is less than 3x squared. Okay, and fx is strictly increasing in this region. Okay, fx is strictly increasing in this region, and we get here a is always less than 3x squared. So we will put the minimum value here. Here minimum value is what? Minimum value of x is 1. So we will put here. Okay, and we will get what? A is always less than 3. So option D will be the correct answer. Here a is always less than 3. Okay, now for the question number 19. Here PA is 0.4, PA union B is given. Okay, and if A and B are mutually exclusive event, and then we have to find PB. So whenever mutually exclusive is given, okay, mutually exclusive is given, then P probability of A union B is always equals to probability of A plus probability of B. Okay, this is simple formula for mutually exclusive, formula based question. So this is given 0.7 and this is 0.4. So we can get, this is what, this should be 0.3. So option B will be the right answer. Okay, simple. Now about question number 20. If you see this, we get this is reflexive. Okay, 1 1 2 2 and 3 3. Reflexive is confirmed, but we can check this is symmetric also. Okay, its result here and its result here, same result and same output. Same input and same output. So this is symmetric also, this is reflexive also. And if we want to know about transitive, what is transitive? If AB lies in a relation, BC lies in relation, therefore if AC both lies in relation, then we can get, okay, this is transitive. And here we can see this, all the possibilities are possible here, because 1 1, okay, and 1 1 and 1 1, all are possible here, no? So equivalent, simple. Okay, equivalence relation. Now about 21. 21 is what? Y is equals to f of x square and f dash x is e to the power root x. This is e root x, no? This is e to the power root x and this is x square. Okay, now we have to find dy by dx. dy by dx will be what? dy by dx will be f dash x squared, and derivative of x squared will be what, 2x. So this will be the result. Okay, and f dash x is this one, e root x, so our value will be e of root x squared into 2x. Its value is e to the power x into 2x. Okay, so I think option D will be the correct answer. Let's go about distance of point ABC from y-axis. So from y-axis means what? Perpendicular distance. Okay, perpendicular distance from y-axis. So that will be square root of a square plus c square. Simple है. Option D. Okay, y-axis is पूछा, so we will eliminate y-axis and its perpendicular distance. Simple. Okay, let's go for 23. We have to find p a dash by b dash. Okay, so we know that p a b is what? Is intersection. Okay, intersection upon pb, and pb is 0.2 here. Okay, and this one is what? This one is here 0.5. So intersection will be what? Intersection will be 0.1. If we multiply this, cross multiply, we will get intersection is 0.1. Okay, then we can find here this one, a complement and intersection of a complement and b complement by the formula this one. Okay, and this one can be found by the formula probability of a plus probability of b minus probability of intersection, okay, of a and b. So all the values are given here, we can put here. Okay, and that is a is 0.6, b about 0.2, and this is given here for intersection, that is 0.1. Okay, if we solve it, we will get what? We will get 0.3. Okay, and we can find pb dash, that will be 1 minus pb, so 1 minus 0.2, that is 0.8. Now we can find this one by the formula of by the similar formula. Okay, so our value will be what? 0.3 upon 0.8. It means final value will be 3 upon 8. Okay, option number D for question number 23. Let's go for question number 24. Okay, that is inverse of skew symmetry matrix. Skew symmetric matrix of odd order. Okay, it is mentioned here of order whenever is and we know that determinant of skew symmetry matrix of odd order is what? 0. Okay, this is just a simple characteristic of skew symmetric matrix of odd order. Its determinant is 0, and whenever determinant is 0, then matrix can't be invertible. Okay, inverse nahi ho sakta uska. It means inverse does not exist. 24, option A. Okay, this is simple formula based question, question number 25. Okay, formula of determinant of adjoint of A is what? Determinant of a to the power n minus 1, where n is the order. Okay, so our value will be, and it is given here something. Okay, using, we know that a formula, this one, a into adjoint of a is equals to uh, determinant of a into I. So if we compare both the equations, we will get determinant of a is equals to 10 here. Okay, so that will be 10 and order is 3, so 3 minus 1 is 2, 10 square is 100. Okay, option C will be the correct answer. Let's go for the next question, that is 26. 3 points are given collinear. So whenever 3 points are collinear, then their slope will be equal. Okay, so we will apply here. We can, if we find its slope, that will be what? That will be x plus 3 minus x, that will be 3. Okay, and 2x minus 0, that is 2x. If we find its slope, we will get what? That is x minus 6. Okay, so that is we are finding the slope of this one, just like pq. Okay, and pr, we can find any one slope. Okay, if we find pr slope, we will get what? We will get 3 upon 3 minus x. Now we can check here, then if we solve it, so we will get 3x is equals to 3, it means x is equals to 1. So option B will be the correct answer. Okay, now for the question number 27, a b c are unit vectors. It means its magnitude are 1, and a plus b plus c is given 0, and we have to find its sum of dot products. Okay, so if we try to whole square of this one, okay, then we will get what? Magnitude of A square, and magnitude of A is 1 because of unit vector, so that is 1, plus magnitude of B square, that is 1, magnitude of C square, that is 1, okay, plus 2 into dot product of these ones. Suppose this is x, okay, so we will get 2x, and here right RHS is 0, okay. Now if we want to find the value of x will be what? If you solve it, this is just a simple linear equation, that is x is equals to minus 3 upon 2, so option B will be the right answer, okay. Very simple question. Now about 28. In the 28 we have to find order and degree of differential equation. Simple question here. Y is equals to ax plus a cube. This is a cube, okay, not a3. This is a cube. Then dy by dx is what? Dy by dx will be a plus, sorry, a, simple a, okay. Then we can put this value in the equation, then we will get what? Y is equals to x dy by dx plus dy by dx cube, okay. This is the differential equation now. And if we want to find the order, here you can see order is 1 and its exponent is 3, it means order is 1, degree is 3, okay. So option C will be the right answer. Simple. Now about question number 21. Question number 29, 29 is what? Normal at the point 1 1 on the curve 2y plus x squared is equals to 3, okay. So its slope will be what? To find its slope we will differentiate it. If we differentiate it, we will get what? 2 dy by dx plus 2x, okay, is equals to 0. If we solve it, we will get dy by dx is equals to minus 1. That is the slope of tangent, okay, slope of tangent. That question is about normal, and we know that product of tangent, slope of normal and product of slope of tangent is always minus 1. Therefore slope of normal will be what? Okay, slope of normal will be 1. It is 1 and it is minus 1, therefore its product will be minus 1, okay. So now we can find the equation of normal by using this formula and this slope, that is y minus y1, y1 is 1 here, and slope is 1, and x minus x1, x minus x1 is also here 1, okay. If we solve it, we will get what? X minus y is equals to 0. So option B will be the correct answer, okay. Let's go for the question number 20. That is about the area of region bounded by x-axis, and this equation. This equation is what? Square root of 16 minus x square. If you solve this, you will get what? Y square is equals to 16 minus x square, and therefore we can see that it is x square. Uh, yes, x square plus y square is equals to 4 square, because 4 square is 16. It means this is the equation of what? This is the equation of circle, okay, having center 0 0 and radius 4, okay. And if we cut by the x-axis, then we will get what? We will get semicircle, okay. So this is circle and this is x-axis, and this will be the semicircle, and we have to find the area of semicircle. Then the area of semicircle is what? 1 upon 2 pi r square, and radius is here 4, so it will be r square, it means 16, and if we solve it, we will get 8 pi. So option D will be the correct answer, okay. Let's go for the next question, that is about torque, okay. Torque is simple position vector. Torque is what? Cross product of position vector, okay, cross product of position vector and force, okay. So I think option A will be the correct answer. Simple. This is just from the physics and vector also, okay. Now the 32, principal value of tan inverse tan 3 by 5, and if we solve this by the tan inverse tan x formula, we will get x, it means 3 pi by 5. And we know that range of tan inverse x is what? Range of tan inverse x is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, okay. And our value is here 3 pi by 5, that is outside of the range. So to do that, the value in the principal value, we will subtract pi from this value, okay. So we will get what? Minus 2 pi upon pi. So option A will be the correct answer. Simple question. Let's go for the 33, okay. 33 is PA is 0.3, PB is 0.4, and sorry, PA intersection B is 0.4, and we have to find the value of PB. So if we want to find the value of PB, suppose A union B, okay, A and B are both different events. Suppose A union B is 1, because union is what? Complete value. So here two events are given. So suppose A union B is 1, okay. and this is given. Now use the formula, that is what A union B is equals to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of intersection. Okay, we will use here, and its value is 1 here, this one is 0.3, and this is not given, and intersection is 0.4. Okay, if we solve it, we will get probability of B is 1.1. Okay, and any probability can't be greater than 1, can't be greater than 1, so not possible. Okay, so this is not possible, simple. Let's go for the 34. This is about the matrix AB and BA both exist. Whenever both exist, na, then we can say what? So we can say A and B both are non-singular. Non-singular means what? Singular means A is 0. So non-singular means it can't be 0. Okay, if both are non-singular, na, then this will be the correct answer. If you want to check by any option, so you can check that. Just like I am taking 1 0 0 1. By any example, you can check this. Just like 2 0 0 2. Okay, and having of same order, यहाँ पे order mention नहीं किया तो same order खुद से सोचना पड़ेगा. I think mention करना चाहिए था, but नहीं है तो खुद से सोचो. ठीक है, so we can find it. This is I, this is 2i. If we multiply it, we will get what? 2i again. And if we converse this, okay, 2 0 0 2 and 1 0 0, then we will also get 2i. So both, so A and B are non-singular. Okay, simple, non-singular होने चाहिए. Okay. Let's go for the next question. This is about differentiation of this one. Okay, so 3 times log है. Okay, and यहाँ पे x square. So for first log, our result will be 1 upon log of log x square. Okay, for this log. Now for the second log, our value will be 1 upon log x square. Okay, now for the third log, our value will be 1 upon x square. And for this x, if we differentiate it with respect to x, our value will be 2x. Now solve it. If we solve it, x and x will be cancelled out, so our answer will be 2 upon x log x square and log x square. So option C will be the right answer. Okay, now about 3 number chosen randomly from 1 to 20, probability to find they are consecutive. Okay, so from 1 to 20 we have to choose 3 number. It means total is what? It is total probability, that is 20C3. Okay, and we have to choose they are consecutive. It has how many options? Just like 1 2 3. Okay, consecutive means lagatar. 2 3 4. So we can get both till 18 19 20. Okay, it means total 18 options are available. So our answer will be 18 upon 20 C3 and its value is 1140. Okay, so 18 upon 1140 is correct answer, and if we solve it, we will get what? We will get 3 upon 190. Okay, 6 times 3 and 6 times 190. Okay, now for the question number 37. This is greatest integer function. Okay, its value is always integer. This is known as greatest integer function. Okay, and greatest integer function of what? X square. And from 0 to 1.5. Okay, its limit is 0 to 1.5. So now listen, x square is 0. Okay, when x is this one 0 to 1. Okay, if x is 0 से 1 तक कुछ भी लेंगे ना, तो ये greatest integer function lowest value is our answer. Okay, just like x squared will be now greatest integer function 1 when we take 1 to root 2. why root 2? Because x square अगर 1 से 2 के बीच में, then x का वैल्यू 1 है. इट मीन्स x का वैल्यू 1 से root 2 के बीच में होना चाहिए. ओके, similarly for, and we want to go till 1.5 and root 2 is 1.414. So for root 2 to 1.5, okay, then our access greatest integer function of x squared will be what? 2, because this is x, value of x, so value of x squared will be 2 now we can solve it using 3 different integrals, just like from 0 to 1. Okay, our value is 0, so 0 dx plus from 1 to root 2 1 dx plus root 2 to 1.5 2 dx. Okay, if we solve it, we will get what? From this one our value is 0, from this one our value is root 2 minus 1. Okay, from this one our value is what? 2 into 1.5 minus root 2. Okay, and if we solve it, we will get what? We will get 2 minus root 2, because this is 3 and 3 minus 1 is 2 and root 2 and 1. Okay, 2 root 2. So our minus root 2 and minus 2 root 2. So our final value is 2 minus root 2. So option C will be the correct answer. Okay, let's go for the question number 38. Question number 38 is what? Point on the curve x square is equals to 2y. This is x square which is nearest to 0.02. Okay, and how to solve this? To solve this, we will find the distance squared value. Just like distance, distance between two coordinates is what? Two coordinates is x minus x1 square, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, and square root of both, complete value. Okay, and here points are 0 and 2, so that will be x minus 0, it means x square, y minus 2 and इसका square ले लेंगे हम लोग. Okay, square root का square, so it means square root will be cancelled. Simple. So this value is what? ये हो गया हमारा डिस्टेंस स्क्वायर वैल्यू, एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड इट्स डेरिवेटिव टू फाइंड टू व्हाट? To minimize, because we want to find nearest value. Okay, so we will minimize it, therefore we will differentiate it. So it's differentiation, okay, with respect to y, because points are given in the format of y. Okay, with respect to y. Simple. So we will get what? For x square our value will be 0. Okay, and don't take directly 0. Here we know that x square is 2y. Okay, x square is 2y given. So first put the value. Okay, so x square is 2y, and listen, this is d simple. Okay, x square is 2y, and if we solve it, this is y minus 2. Now differentiate it. Okay, because both complete values with respect to y, we will differentiate it with respect to y. We will get what? For 2y our value will be 2, and for this one our value will be 2 into y minus 2. Okay, so complete value will be 2y minus 2, and to minimize it we will equate it with 0 and then find the value of y. Then y will be what? Then y will be 1. If we put y is equals to 1 here, okay, if we put y is equals to 1 here, our value will be what? X square is equals to 2. Therefore x square is x is equals to plus minus root 2. Okay, so our coordinate should be plus minus root 2 and 1. But this question is about nearest value. Okay, so plus minus root 2 and 1 is just nearest about 0 0. If you find the distance from 2 to and this one, distance ज़्यादा होगा, 0 0 से least distance. Okay, so our value will be option D. Simple. Okay, हमें वो nearest चाहिए, nearest में least distance. Simple. Let's go for 39. This is find the number of injection. Injection means what? Not a vaccination. Okay, injection is the number of one function, injective function. Okay, so number of one function is what? That is 5p3, because it contains 5, it contains 3 elements, so that will be 5p3. Okay, this is just a question of permutation and set theory also. If you solve it, you will get what? 5 factorial upon 5 minus 3, that means 2 factorial. It means 5 into 4 into 3, that is what? 20 into 3, 60. Option C will be the correct answer. Okay, now the question number 40, the number of unit vectors perpendicular to this vector, perpendicular to the vector, number of unit vectors, then we will find its cross product. Okay, its cross product will be what? Its cross product will be I, J, K. Okay, and here 2 1 2, this is 0 1 1. Okay, if we solve it, we will get what? Minus I minus 2j plus 2k, and to find its unit vector we will divide it by the square root of these values here. Okay, so that will be 2 square. 2 square is 4 and 1 plus 4 again. Okay, and because of the square root our value will be plus and minus both, so we will get 2 unit vectors here for perpendicular. Okay, and our question is about number of unit vectors, so option C will be the right answer. Let's go for the next question. This is 2 cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is equals to 11 pi upon 6. Okay, and we know that cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is what? cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is pi by 2. Okay, this is just a formula, so we'll apply it. This will be what? This will be cos inverse x plus cos inverse x, and we can get here cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is pi upon 2, so we can solve here. Okay, pi upon 2 is equals to 11 pi upon 6. Okay, then if we find the value of cos inverse x, then that is 11 pi upon 6 minus pi upon 2, that will be what? That is 4 pi upon 3. Okay, and we know that the range of cos inverse is what? Range of cos inverse is 0 to pi, and this value is outside the range because this is greater than the pi. Okay, so no any solutions are possible, so option D will be the right answer. Okay, let's go for the next question. This is the equation of line, and it is given, it is mutually perpendicular. Okay, and we have to find the value of k. Then to find the mutually perpendicular, to find the value of k, and it is given mutually perpendicular, it means its coefficients, its vectors. Okay, a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equals to 0, because this is the condition for perpendicular. Okay, we will apply it and get the value here. A1 is what? Minus 3. Okay, A2 is what? 3k plus B1 is what? 2k, and B2 is 1. Okay, for C1 is 2, and again for C3 that will be minus 5. Minus 5 why? Because if we convert in the standard form, we will get here minus 5. Okay, so its value will be 0. If we solve it, we will get what? Minus 9k plus 2k minus 10 is equals to 0. Therefore minus 7k is equals to 10. Then k will be minus 10 upon 7. So option D will be the right answer. Okay, next question is about absolute maximum value. So we will find its maximum value, and to find the maximum value we will find its derivative. Okay, so its derivative will be what? Then that is f dash x, and f dash x will be 4 minus 1 upon 2 into 2x. It means x. Okay, this is its derivative, and to find its maximum value we will equate it with 0. Okay, we will equate it at 0. So our x is what? X is equals to 4. Okay, and it is, and here some interval is also given, and we have to find the maximum value. Okay, so we will check our function at x is equals to 4, and it's at lower value minus 2, and that's 9 upon 2. Okay, just like I am checking it, that is f of minus 2 is what? F of minus 2 is minus 8, and minus 1 upon 2, and the square of minus 2, that is 4. So this will be minus 10. Okay, and f of 4 will be what? F of 4 will be 4 into 4, that is 16, minus 1 upon 2 into 4 square. 4 square is 16, and that is 8. Okay, and for the final value f9 upon 2, so f9 upon 2 will be what? F9 upon 2 is approximate value 7.875, and we can say maximum value. Okay, here maximum value is 8. Okay, so option D will be the right answer. Simple. Let's go for the next question, that is question number 44, and it is just the question of definite integral, and it can be solved by the properties of definite integral. Okay, and which property? The property will be used here. 0 to a fx dx is equals to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Okay, this property will be used here. Okay, using this property we can solve this question. Suppose this is I, then our I will be what? 0 to pi by 4. Okay, log 1 plus tan pi by 4 minus x dx. If we solve this value, okay, we will get what? Using tan a minus b, we will get what? Tan pi by 4 minus tan x, that means 1 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan x. Okay, if we add these values, we will get what? We will get 2 upon 1 plus tan x. Okay, then use the log property. Okay, we will get 0 to pi by 4, and here log 2 dx minus log 1 plus tan x dx. Okay, simple. And this value is what? This value is I, we have supposed here. So this is I. Okay, and this is log 2 and integral of dx from 0 to pi by 4. Okay, so our final value will be what? 2y is equals to log 2, and its derivative will be, its integral will be what? Pi by 4. Therefore our final value is I is equals to pi by 8 log 2. Okay, so option B should be the correct answer. Now about question number 45. Line makes angle pi upon 3 pi upon 4 with x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Simple question. This is just about the cos squared alpha plus cos squared beta plus cos squared gamma. Okay, is equals to 1. This is simple formula to find this question. Here alpha is what? Pi upon 3, beta is pi upon 4, and we have to find the value of gamma. So cos pi by 3, value of cos pi by 3 is what? Apply that value here, and here cos pi by 4. Okay, so this is 1 upon 2, and the square of 1 upon 2 is 1 upon 4. This is 1 upon root 2, and the square of 1 upon root 2 is 1 upon 2. Okay, and plus cos square alpha, sorry, gamma is 1. Then cos square gamma will be what? Cos square gamma will be equals to 1 upon 4. Okay, it means cos gamma is 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 2, therefore gamma will be pi upon 3. Simple, option A. Okay, now the question number 46. Problem in mathematics is given to 3 students A, B, C, and their chances of solving 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3, 1 upon 4, and probability of solving problems. So how to solve this? Okay, probability of solving problems means they can solve at least one question. Okay, at least one, then we can say problems are solved. So at least one, to find the at least one, that is 1 minus probability of none. Okay, to solve this we will find the probability of none first. That will be what? For first one. Okay, for first one, 1 minus 1 upon 2, because this is the chances of solving, and for non-solving, that is 1 upon 1 minus 1 upon 2. Okay, so this is for first one, and for second one, because all are going with together, all are going together. Okay, so we will multiplying here all the values, and its value is what? Its value is 1 upon 2, here 2 upon 3, here 3 upon 4. Now solve it. We will get 1 minus 1 upon 4, that is 3 upon 4. So it will be the correct answer. Okay, simple. Now about question number 47. Solution of, we have to find the solution of differential equation. This is simple. We can use here separable variable method. Okay, using that method we will get dy upon 1 plus y squared is equals to dx upon 1 plus x square. If we integrate both sides, we will get what? Tan inverse y is equals to tan inverse x plus c. Therefore y will be what? Y will be tan of tan inverse x plus c. Okay, so option B will be the correct answer. Okay, let's go for the next question, that is question number 48. And this is about this one. This is written here 1 minus sin x into 1 minus cos x integral e to the power x dx. To solve it, we can go with by part method, that is by the highlight rule. That is too difficult, so solve this question by the option. Okay, if we go from option, so then we get option B is the correct answer, e to the power x cot x upon 2 plus c. If we differentiate it, we can get this value. Okay, so option B will be the correct answer. Now for the question number 49. Question number 49 is what? Tan inverse 3 plus tan inverse alpha is equals to tan inverse 3 plus alpha upon 1 minus 3 alpha. Okay, is valid for which value? So to its validity, okay, this should be the rational number. Therefore, we can get 1 minus 3 alpha is not equals to 0. Okay, and to find its principal value we will take it is greater than 0, not less than 0. Okay, so we'll directly use 1 minus 3 alpha is greater than 0. Therefore we can say 1 is greater than 3 alpha. Okay, therefore 3 alpha is less than 1, then we can say that alpha is less than 1 upon 3. So option B will be the right answer. Let's go for the last question. Question number 50. Determinant of this value is given here in the form of equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0, and we want its representation. This represent what? So this represent pair of straight line. Simple. Okay, determinant is given here and this is equation. If we use it we will get pair of straight line. Okay, so thank you so much for joining us.